What's up, YouTube? So today we're doing a low moisture cleaning. Just 3 areas, 2 areas actually, but 1 area is a little larger, so I charged them at 3 using some bonnets here and my 175. So I already pre-vacuumed the back room. It was already vacuumed, but with low moisture cleaning, VLM cleaning, you want to make sure, okay, you can't get in that way. You want to make sure you do a really good job. So although it was already vacuumed, I'm vacuuming again, nice and thorough. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my pre-spray down, it's carpet detail, and then extract. So stay tuned. Okay, so I did see an area in here. It's the only spot I really see. So I'm going to treat this a 20 volume. I'm thinking it's got to be organic of some sort. So I'll let that dwell as I clean. Hey!
I was going to tell you.
Let me turn this. Okay, so I'm doing the pre-agitation, and actually I'm doing the pre-spray, and I'm not going to be doing any agitation today. Oh, let me get my face enough. I'm not going to be doing any agitation today. I'm just going to go ahead and do the pre-spray and extract. This carpet's very lightly soiled, so I really don't need it at all. It's just a requirement for the property management to, you know, that the tenants have to go ahead and clean it before they move out. So anyway, and this particular customer here recommended chemical-free carpet cleaning, and and also low moisture. So lucky I provide low moisture cleaning, and if you're not, you probably should, or else I would have passed up this customer. So it's not a big money job, but it's always good to get a reputation with all your different customers and turn them into clients, and just fulfill their needs, you know. I'm going to finish pre-spraying this and get to extracting. As you can tell, I finished this back room. Here, and that area I pre-treated with the 20 volume earlier. That combined with my pre-spray just got rid of it. So whatever it was, it definitely was organic and it wasn't a problem, but did a good rake afterwards. So okay, stay tuned. So if you haven't did a low moisture cleaning before, people do it differently. They put down the pre-spray. Some people don't even wet the bonnet, but I do. Some people duck the bonnet in water and wring it out and then do the cleaning. But what I do is I just put a layer of pre-spray over it and do that. So, all right. Alright guys, so this is the bonnet. Front and back. So you can see it's soiled. Not really soiled. If it was to be really soiled, it'd be a lot darker. These type bonnets right here really clean the best, but they don't last as long. So, but I like them when I have small jobs. And as you can tell, carpet came out beautiful. Did a rake on it. That's really good to do that when you're done with doing low moisture bonnet cleaning. It lifts the fibers up and it dries even quicker. Should be about 1 to 2 hours for this to dry fully. And yeah. So yeah, it wasn't a big satisfying video, extreme differences, but it is a video for people that are learning how to get into doing low moisture cleaning, thinking about doing it. And I do want to remind you, usually if the carpets were soiled, spots, stains here and there, I would have did a pre-agitation before I actually extracted with the bonnet. So the only reason why I didn't do any agitation in this video, of course, is because it just didn't need it. So it's your judgment call. Once you get to cleaning, you'll know when you need to do it, when you don't, when you need to scrub them, when you don't. All right. Well, thanks for watching. I'm out of here. We'll see you in the next video. Oh yeah, hit that subscribe button. Now see you in the next video.